Ready?
You're gonna sing happy
I'm gonna sing happy birthday to Gabriel.
Alright.
Wait, ready? Go. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabriel. Happy birthday to you. Okay, why don't you pull his top tray off and put the cake in front of him and see what happens. It's always exciting. It has snap tabs on the sides.
Thank you.
Raphael?
Now! Blow the candle out.
You kids do funny things with cakes. Raphael, just let him.
Blow the candle out. Blow the candle out.
Raphael, don't do it. See
Blow
what he can
it.
do. This is great.
Alright, huh? That's pretty good.
Gabriel, blow it.
The whole big thing right in front of you.
Blow it, Gabriel, blow. Like this. Blow like this. He won't blow the candle. So anyway. We'll blow the candle.
He's not touching it either.
I don't know. Okay, let's all blow it together. Ready? Yay!
Here's the candle.
Oh, is that scary or something?
He just wants to be with you. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye, camera. Happy birthday, Gabriel.